So I have got some hot leaks on the upcoming OnePlus 15R, and honestly, I think OnePlus is absolutely nailing it this year. If the rumors are real, the OnePlus 15R could be better than the Pixel 10. This year, OnePlus is moving faster than usual. The new OnePlus 15 series is expected to launch earlier compared to last year. Why? Well, the Qualcomm Snapdragon Summit, which usually happens later, is now scheduled for September. Because of this, OnePlus is also pushing up their timeline. According to DCS, OnePlus 15 and 15R will launch in October in China. And just a few weeks or maybe a month later, we will likely see the global launch, possibly by late November or early December. Now let's talk about something really surprising, the battery. A new report says that the OnePlus 15R will come with a massive 7500 mAh battery. That's crazy big. OnePlus is expected to use silicon carbon battery tech, and if that happens, the 15R will be the first OnePlus phone to ever have such a huge battery. It seems like OnePlus is getting serious this time, especially after the criticism they got for the OnePlus 13R. They want to fix their past mistakes. To make a fresh start, OnePlus also changing the design of both the OnePlus 15 and 15R. Based on leaks, the OnePlus 15R will have a vertical camera layout, kind of like what we saw with the OnePlus 8. But this time, the camera will be placed on the left side with a new framing on it. Honestly, I like this move. I wasn't a fan of the 13R's rounded camera, it looks a bit cheap. This new design feels more premium, and I'm glad OnePlus is finally paying attention to this. Now let's get to the exciting part, performance. The OnePlus 15R is rumored to come with the powerful Snapdragon 8 Elite chip. That's the same processor used in the OnePlus's most expensive phone. But that's not all. The 15R will also have a 3D ultrasonic fingerprint scanner, the same tech you see in the Google's flagship Pixel phones. Now when it comes to the camera, OnePlus still has some catching up to do. For now, all we know is that the 15R will feature a 50 megapixel camera with 3x telephoto zoom. We are still waiting to find out which sensor they will use, but as soon as I get more info, I will update you, so make sure to stay tuned. But guys, just remember all of this is based on leaks and rumors for now. Nothing has been officially confirmed by OnePlus yet, so things could still change. But don't worry, I am keeping a close watch and will share every new update with you right here. So what do you think? Are you as excited as I am about the OnePlus going all out with the 15R? Let me know in the comments below. With that being said, subscribe if you like, and I will see you in the next one.